Si Jason din naman. Nakakagulat. Ang galing mo naman. Ay, thank you naman. Alam niyo po, si Jason po ay isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na singers dito sa ating bansa. And I just wanna congratulate you on your 10th year anniversary. And I'm so happy to be part of it, part of the celebration. And I heard it's also your birthday, so happy birthday also. This is just the beginning for you. There'll be more, and we are expecting more of this, right? And while you're at it, magwalis ka! Ang dumi-dumi ng stage!
Sige po, sorry na po.
Ang bihira! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Jason D!
Richie Velasquez, ladies and gentlemen!
Magsisiga nga ako mamaya. Grabe itong mga to. Di ba na kayo naglimas? Ang daming pwedeng sigaan din eh.